Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is manifestation of light, a new idea, a new intuition, a new inclination of somewhere where you want to go, something you want to start building, a new project, a new thing that you believe that you deserve. Go after it. Start building. The next step is creation. Bringing it from the 5D and the 4D to the 3D. Not only so you can enjoy it and become a source of freedom, but for the rest of us, because we need you. I see the beauty within me and in your intellect, and I grow and develop my inner self with confidence and harmony and light and beauty. I free myself from negativity. My heart transformed into something beautiful. My intellect shines because you are a genius, and my inner light grows. And your light and the love within your heart is what's going to attract your tribe and your people, your supporters. You cannot force anyone to love you or to support you, but you can love them into loving you and supporting you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.